There are times when I just want to look at your face, with the stars in the night. There are times when I just want to feel your embrace in the cold night. I just can't believe that you are mine now. You were just a dream that I once knew. Never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be with forevermore. Those years I've longed to hold you in my arms. I've been dreaming of you every night. I've been watching all the stars that fall down, wishing you will be mine. I just can't believe that you are mine now.
Habang buhay, ikaw at ako ang magkasama, sa hirap at ginawa habang buhay. Pangako ikaw lang, walang iba, pangako ko ito habang buhay. Happy birthday, I hope hindi ka mag-change and take care always. And happy ko na naging boyfriend pa ka. Tapos ka nang ingat lagi. And I love you so much. Birthday ulit. And God bless.